So when I watched the video, the introduction video, I was really excited by the images and the color and the design of the classroom. It looked really fresh and fun. And I also saw lovely phrases for vocabulary. And I think it had lots of great visual cues, which will really maximize learning and make impactful lessons for the students. Well, in the beginning, I had some technical challenges. You need a green screen to do the lessons, and I had to get 2 green screens that didn't work, but now my third one is working really well. Another issue I faced was that my program crashed completely, which was quite stressful, and I spent many hours getting it right. But yes, with the wonderful training and support that I received, I was up and running in no time. So I would say the biggest challenge for my students, especially the old regular ones, was the lack of the notes pod, because I always used to take extensive notes for them. So what I do now is I use the feedback slides. I even use the whiteboard slide to write some feedback, to give some feedback. And also I encourage them after every slide to take a screenshot. And they really find this very useful for review.